Good afternoon, students. So we'll proceed further for susceptibility and postology we were talking about. So as I told you, higher susceptibility, higher will be the potency, lower susceptibility, lower will be the potency. So if the patient's susceptibility is higher, that means the patient's immunity power is higher, we have to give them higher potency. Means whenever patient comes to us, we have to select a symptom simillimum, a simillimum remedy we have to select, and then we have to select a potency. Now how? By deciding susceptibility of the patient. What is susceptibility? How to decide susceptibility? That we are going to see today. So to determine the susceptibility of patient, we have to see few factors. Now what are those few factors? Number one is the age group. If the patient's age is children or less age group, or in case of adult, those who are having stronger immunity, stronger susceptibility, we need to give them higher potency. So always remember, the patient who are having a stronger immunity, stronger susceptibility, they are fight against the disease force normally, nicely, we have to give them higher potency. Just mind it. Now if those people who are having lower susceptibility, those people who are old age group, they are having wear and tear changes in their cells, in their muscles, as well as they are having some degenerative changes in their body, and because of that their susceptibility is quite lower, and that is why in case of old age group we have to give them lower potency. This is the first factor, age group. Okay, to determine the susceptibility of patient, we have to see number one is the age group. Adult and children, we have to give higher potency because they are having higher susceptibility. If the old age group, they are having degenerative changes, they are having wear and tear changes in their body, we have to give them lower potency because their susceptibility is lower. So first factor is age group. Now second factor, to determine the susceptibility, we have to see the gender. Okay, male and female. If in case of female, we have to go for medium potency. Okay, especially in our country, female are not having that much mental stress, that is why some of the homeopathic physicians are giving them medium potency. And in case of male, especially those who are having mental stress, strain, worries, sensitive, oversensitive, those people who are required, especially male, they are required the higher potency. So in female, those who are having less mental stress, we are giving them medium potency to lower potency, and in case of male, especially those who are having much more mental stress, we are giving them higher potency. Now next important point is a habit and environment. In which environment people are working, that is also one of the important point to determine the susceptibility of the patient. Say for example, in case of higher potency, to whom we are giving higher potency? Those people who are having much more mental exertion, they require a higher potency. They are intellectual, if they are doctors, they are in lawyers, and those who are having their mental work as well as they are having some intellectual work, for them we are giving higher potency. Those people who are having sedentary lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle means what? If they are a businessman, they are just sitting on one place, and the other people who are working over there, they are doing other work. But the people who are sitting, who are giving just a mind for their work, they are utilizing their mind. And those who are having a sedentary lifestyle, office work, okay, those people who are doing their duty in office, sitting job, that is known as a sedentary lifestyle. They are having much more mental stress, but they are not having a physical work, and those people require a higher potency because they are utilizing their mind and their intellectual power. Next thing, they required a much more longer sleep. Okay, for them also we give a higher potency, longer sleep, because their mental strain is much more, that is why they required longer sleep, and we are giving them higher potency. Those people who are having excitement, especially excited people, imagination बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं उनके mind में, continuously they are thinking, overthinking, those people also require a higher potency. And next one is the lower potency. For whom we are giving lower potency? The people who little sleeps little, I mean to say, those people who don't require that much sleep नहीं लगता है, those people require a lower potency. Those people who are doing their physical job, much more physical job, बहुत ज़्यादा physical work करते हैं लेकिन mental stress नहीं है. Say for example worker, जो मजदूर रहते हैं, those people require a lower potency. They don't utilize their brain, they are just doing their work physical exertion, but they don't require, they are not giving their mental ability, they are not utilizing their mental work, और mental strain नहीं रहता है उनको, सिर्फ just काम करते हैं, they are just doing a physical labor, and that is why they require a lower potency. Especially those people who are deaf and dumb, that people also required a lower potency. Okay, those people who are eating coarse food, बहुत ज़्यादा food खाते हैं, because they are doing physical work, they are not doing any mental work, that is why physical work करने वाले जो लोग रहते हैं, they required a lower potency. Have you got the, this is not a hard and fast rule, mind it, it is not a hard and fast rule कि we have to give them higher potency only, we have to give them lower potency only. You have to observe that patient, you have to observe carefully, you have to see what is the lifestyle, how they are thinking, everything you have to observe, and then only you are going to decide the potency. But here, according to our Mandal and Mandal, according to the homeopathic pharmacy, according to the organon of medicine, what they have given, how to select potency, just by selection, by determining the susceptibility of the patient. Susceptibility is higher, higher will be the potency. Susceptibility is lower, lower will be the potency. Is that clear? Then next thing is very important, susceptibility कैसे determine करना है. We have talked about few points. Number 1 point we have seen age group. Lower age group, adult people required higher potency. Old age group required a lower potency. Then we have talked about gender. Male required higher potency, female required medium to lower potency. Then we have talked about habit and environment. So especially those people who are doing their mental strain or mental work, those who are having mental stress, those who are doing intellectual work, they required a higher potency. They take a longer sleep. They are excited people, always thinking, overthinking. Those people will require a higher potency. And to whom lower potency? I told you, those who sleeps little, those who are doing much more physical work, those who are doing, those who are deaf and dumb, as well as those who are working in the drug industries, like perfume industries में काम कर रहे हैं, या फिर ड्रगिस्ट है, या फिर continuously work in drug industries है, those people will require a lower potency. So this is the basic guide to determine the susceptibility and to select the potency. Okay, thank you.